Hello, I was Soleil here with a screencast to show you a cool trick in working with your data. All right, we've got this report that, Calvin ran this part of it. Calvin ran that part. Todd, Keith, Opal. All right, this goes down to row 105. We've got dates, times, part numbers, quantities, and warehouses. All right, and this is great if you want to print it out and read it. If you're an executive and you just want a summary and you just want to look at that date, beautiful. But this is what was sent to us to get information about things we need to know. What's happening at the Great Lakes warehouse? What's going on with the different part numbers? How many part numbers are in this report? Well, all right, we're thinking pivot table, we're thinking sorting, sum totals. Okay, so let's go ahead and sort. Sort by, let's say column C. Okay. No, to do this, all the merged cells need to be the same size. All right, this shows us we have a problem. We can't even do a pivot table. Let's go to View, Gridlines, and this is showing that these names are taking up 6 cells. The quantity is in 1 cell. That's all right. The time is going across 2 columns. We can't do anything with this. We can manually go and clean this out. We can unmerge this. We can unmerge this, but let's not mess around. Let's just be done with it. Let's say save as. And we're going to save as CSV. Okay, and I'm not actually going to do this, all right, because I've done it already. And see, this is what it looks like when we save it as CSV and open it back. See, unmerged report.csv. This is a CSV file that we opened in Excel, and you see the fonts are not bold anymore, the colors are gone, and most importantly, everything is in 1 cell. Beautiful. Now we can go ahead, get this in shape to start doing some analysis with. So let's go ahead and do data and sort. Let's sort by column B. All right. Good. Now all of the junk that we don't need, because we don't care who ran the report. If something's messed up, we've got to go to the warehouse and see what's happening. So knowing Calvin, Opal, all of that stuff, we don't need that for this purpose. So it makes it even easier to say okay. Get rid of this. We don't need those report dates. And want to go ahead and insert a row here. It says date, time, part number, quantity, warehouse. Great. So let's do a little cleanup. All right, now this is an empty column. So let's delete that. Cool. Now we can go ahead and do something like insert pivot table. All right. So let's put say part numbers in the rows. Okay, now we can see that we have 11 parts and there are some blanks. All right, so we can start to do some analysis to dig out whatever we want. Let's see, we have 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 warehouses, and there are some blanks that need to be cleaned up. So right now, we have access to what we need. We can find out what we want to find out, and we didn't have to go and manually remove anything. We used CSV to clean it all out, open it back up in Excel, and then we're off and running doing what we need to do. Thanks a lot, and send any questions in to me for anything you want to know about, and we'll get it handled. Thanks a lot.